Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. A hamburger potato casserole is on our menu today. Alright people, here's what you need to make this hamburger potato casserole. You need some ground beef, potatoes. You can use any kind of potatoes you want. These are Idaho. I see potatoes, small ones, but they are. Alright, you need cheese and you need beef bouillon cubes, about 2 to 3. Alright, y'all know what I always say. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. So let's get to it. Alright, remember those bouillon cubes? I put all 3 of them into 2 cups of water, boiled them in the microwave. That tastes great. Make sure you taste it and it's not too salty. So that's one thing you want to do. For me, I'm going to put some olive oil in the bottom of the pan and a little bit on the sides of it. So trying to get less of this to stick. Got it? All right, now we start layering our potatoes. Now, depends on how many people you're cooking for. If you're cooking for a lot of people, then you want to use more potatoes. Do you know what I'm saying? You want to use more because you want to have enough for everybody that's eating. Now, for me, I only want to make 2 layers. Okay? I only want to make 2 layers of potatoes. So if you want to do more layers than that, it's perfectly fine. So because of that, I'm going to make sure that I put a nice layer of potatoes down. All right, so these bitty ones, you can see what I'm doing here. Now, the key, the bouillon. The bouillon is going to give you some flavor, and it's got enough salt. And because I have a little extra salt in my meat, so my meat is quite tasty. So because of that, I'm only going to sprinkle garlic powder. I'm not going to put it. But if your meat doesn't have a lot of seasoning in it, then you want to make sure that you season these potatoes. You want to make sure that you actually put salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, the works. You see what I'm saying? The works. All right, so next layer is going to be a thicker layer. All right, so next layer, I don't want to put all that meat either. My son doesn't eat a lot of meat, so if you eat a lot of meat, then have at it. Alrighty, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put in some Italian blend cheese, and then I'm gonna put in some mozzarella as they call it, mozzarella. All right, I'll get your cheese in there, and that's good, right? All right, so repeat the layers until you get to this point. Now I put 3 slices of provolone cheese on the top, that's smoked provolone cheese. And then I'll put the rest of the shredded cheese that I had. So add that on there. Remember, you can use any kind of cheese you want. Any kind of cheese, any kind of potatoes. Now you can season your ground beef the way you want to season it. So this is a pretty giving and versatile dish. All right, so you want to spread your cheese around like that. And this is going to go in the oven. And actually, I want to tell you, this is going to go into the oven, but let it go in the oven for like 30 to 40 minutes, and after that, keep checking. Now, this is going to be done when you stick a knife down in it or a fork. So when these potatoes are fork tender and your liquid from the bouillon, when that has nearly cooked away, where what you have left is the potato and hamburger meat, a tender potato and hamburger casserole, then it's ready. So you can stick a knife down in there or a fork, but just make sure that your potatoes are fork tender. I added a little bit of dried parsley on the top. This is going to go in the oven and follow the directions I just gave you, and you're going to end up with something very beautiful like this. Hope you all hit that subscribe and that like button, and you watch some more of my videos. But thank you for watching this one. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.